Hi guys, and welcome back to AMCrypto channel, your trusted source of for your Bitcoin updates. So today I want to talk about the Bitcoin price because we are at a really critical point right here where Bitcoin has to make a decision either to break to the upside or to the downside. We are maximum 12 hours away from a decision, so that's something that we definitely look into today. So, and if you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's dive directly into the content. So Bitcoin is still trading in this symmetrical triangle here and bouncing up and down in between. We saw here multiple breakouts attempts where Bitcoin tried to break out, but all the time could not manage to break above the downward sloping resistance line. Now Bitcoin is close to get into the apex of the symmetrical triangle, and then Bitcoin has to make a decision to either break it to the upside or to break to the downside. I had shown you yesterday already the technical targets for a potential breakdown or a breakout to the upside. If we break up, it's about $35,000, the technical target, and if we break down, the target is all the way down here around $25,000. So how can we now know in which direction we most likely will go here? So for this, I want to look once again on stochastic RSI. So stochastic RSI is not right now in our favor because it's trending to the downside. We got a sell signal here, which is indicating that we might head lower here, at least on the 4-hourly chart. So, but I don't want to only rely on the stochastic RSI. I also want to see what's happening with the EMA ribbons. So, and here the Bitcoin price is trying to break into these ribbons here. Once again, the price action is right now slightly within the ribbon, but we have to manage to at least get to $29,800 into the middle of the ribbon to see actually here some follow through and a push above the ribbon so that we can twist here again and go into an uptrend on the 4-hourly chart. The other thing is that Bitcoin is also right now in a range here. So not only in a symmetrical triangle, but also ranging and kind of really nicely supporting this range here with these highs and the lows, and bouncing here up and down between support and resistance. But this can also not go on forever. In this accumulation zone, when we have here look at the volume, we see since we entered this this range, the volume is really low, so which is an indication that a bigger move is definitely looming here in the shadows right now. So another indication could be the VPVR. So in here we can see that the Bitcoin price, so now I have to squeeze this a little bit together that we get a better idea what's happening here. The Bitcoin price is trying to gain control here. So we are above the level of the point of control. The point of control is at $29,536. We are slightly above that. If we can establish support, then we will also see follow through here to the upside. So if we lose that level, obviously then we will see here further breakdown. So how would I gonna trade this? If I would trade this, I would wait for at least 2 4-hourly candles above the point of control to the upside before I enter a trade and actually a break out of this range at around $30,500. To long this, and to short this, I would obviously wait for a break under $28,600. Guys, I also want to talk about today's sponsor. Today's sponsor of this video is X.LA Foundation. They have a crazy announcement right now. So just to give you a quick brief about the project, X.LA is a decentralized protocol that allows content creators the ability to leverage their intellectual property. So that means everything that they are posting on the social medias, so that they can profitably participate in the metaverse economy by utilizing revenue sharing on this platform through a smart contract. So, and to celebrate the launch of the platform, X.LA gives away exclusive NFTs to early supporters of the project. So, and they already successfully conducted 2 NFT drops. This is now another one, and recently they launched the last one, the third one drop. So owners of the NFT will receive access to exclusive X.LA content, private AMAs with the team, so, and other really cool perks that are out there. So, and here you see it's a web-free technology to make smart revenue sharing contracts available to creators around the world. So the founder is a prominent video game prominent video game payments company, X.LA. They started a new venture in the Web3 space called X.LA. So the project launched in last February and is focusing on developing an ecosystem of products with the aim to give creators around the world the monetary incentive to build in the metaverse. So yeah, that is definitely an interesting project. So you can just go to their website to claim your NFT there. So when you click here on start here, so then you see here you can still claim your NFT for the next what is it, 7 hours, 7 days. For the next 7 days you can claim your NFT. Just click here, then you can claim it. So it's for free. So just the transaction fees, and that's it. So you should definitely check this out. When you look here at this NFT, it looks also kind of cool. I will also get some just after the video. I had no time to claim mine, but I definitely gonna do this after the video, as it is for free, so you have technically nothing to lose. So the link to this project is of course in the description. Definitely check this out. So now let's get back here to Bitcoin. So another indication could be also here the 200 and the 50 EMA. So we are right now slightly above the 50 EMA. I would like to see here, like I said, price action above the 50, so that the 50 turns around and we get then here in the future, let's say in the next 2 weeks, a new golden cross, which will establish then a lot of buy pressure to the upside. So, and if you want to trade this, guys, then don't forget you can still claim $4,050 in bonuses on BYBIT with my specific link, or on a BitGet. There you also still get the highest bonus of $4,163 for signing up with my link, and 15% discount on the fees on the platform. And if leverage trading is not for you because you're not a professional trader, then check out my Signals channel. There we are crushing it every day. You should definitely check this out. You get directly hooked up with my staff. They give you all the infos. We made over 1,000% this month so far in my paid Signals group, so definitely also check this out. Guys, that's it already for today. This was a really quick update. I hope you enjoyed this content. Let me know what you're gonna think, what's gonna happen to Bitcoin, and also about the new Luna release on the 27th of May. So I just saw this, that they have a new Luna release 2.0. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. So other than that, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.